This is the same as the TriCaster down there. It's just you have your cut bus and then auto and take. A better way to explain it, so we have our 4 SDI inputs physically on TriCaster.
Mm-hmm.
So now we need to get replays output into TriCaster.
Mm-hmm.
So you're like, I don't want to be switching SDI whenever I need to do that. So what you do is its outputs can be, you can either do SDI outputs or NDI, which is the network. So for cameras, replay A, rep A, it is set as 3play1 clean out A. So that means that it's pulling it virtually.
Mm-hmm.
So now 3play did its thing to it. That's basically the same. So then now that's another camera input. So now you have replay A, replay B. Same for Jumbotron. It's another network input. DDRs, your MEs, those are built-in TriCaster inputs. We have an effect here for auto. If something you're expecting is not looking, if we had cameras up, you would see that this clearly is not your preview. You click, this key should be on background.
Mm-hmm.
So now, auto, it does that replay graphic. I keep this as auto. If you want to change it to a fade, you can press fade here, and now it's a fade. But this, so we'll have replay A in preview, our transition, the replay graphic here, and whatever camera we're currently in as program.
Mm-hmm.
You're like countdown with your 3play operator down there, like 3, 2, 1, do graphic and play. So then it starts playing, and now it's on replay. So people know it looked weird whenever you just started replay, and it's like that's not happening.
So you're counting her, I'm sure we'll get to there, but you're counting her down or him down to play it. They have to physically hit play.
Yes. This is happening all over the network. If I'm not going to do it, I don't want to. If you unplug the network cable, you lose connection. So this video is coming over the network. It's the same way how I could go here, source 3play1, and select one of its inputs. So if you think about this as 2 separate devices with 4 individual hardwired inputs, but they can both pull inputs from each other. So you could have 4 cameras on replay and then 5 through 8 on TriCaster. And TriCaster, you could pull your first 4 over the network and have the other 5 through 8 as hardwired. But then on 3play, because 3play is only a 4-camera system, you would only get your 4 cameras there. But I mean, it could go in reverse of where you only plug 4 cameras into TriCaster, and all the cameras in 3play are over the network. Exporting here is sort of the same way. We just have one whole place with all of the clips. So we started recording before halftime, or for the first half, second half. So you have your 2 recordings. Shift select, right click, add to export media. It adds it to this export media folder up here. Same thing, click the cog, export media. You now have your 2 here. You want to choose where to save them. Click the cog, export media file, and here it asks you, or directory. This is the encoding for how fast or slow you want it to encode. 15 megabytes per second is the highest, and 10's about good. You can keep it H.264. So you click your 3 dots, this PC, like it's not able to connect to the TriCaster right now, or to the server. I forgot the password. We'll ignore that.
Okay, at what point of the night are you doing this?
Right now, exporting is like right after the game ends, 10:30, 11.
Okay, so the game's over and you have to like...
You want to start this immediately because it takes time to export.
Why are we exporting it? Where is
So
it?
then,
So they have it later, we have it later?
I don't know if we actually give it to them. We give it to Sports Anchor, and I forget about what happens after that.
Okay.
We might get some people.